Right, and just don't ruin it, Grace. Ethan, keep your thing down. Grace.
You can't say that.
Promise?
No.
Promise?
Yeah.
No, I don't know what it is, mate.
Right.
I cannot see.
It's not very light.
She told me.
Okay, take them off.
Oh my god.
For you two.
Is it?
Yeah. It's your new doggy. I promise.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
His name's Arthur.
That's your new dog.
What do you think?
Don't.
Don't scream.
That's your new dog.
Arthur.
Arthur.
I promise.
Why Arthur?
I never was a doggy.
What do you think?
He's my friend.
Oh, yeah.
Look at him.
He said he wouldn't get me.
I know, that's why. Hi, puppy.
Look.
What do you think? I've known him about a month.
Why did you get...
Ethan, you look a bit shocked.
Yeah, because I didn't know Mum was going to get a dog for this.
Can I pick him up?
Yeah, it's yours.
It's yours. Well, basically, it's
Look,
all of us.
look at. Are you a bit
Hold him underneath the chair, under his bed.
Come on, doggy.
It's okay. Look.
What do you reckon? He's...
What do you think? Look at it, it's crazy.
You shocked, Ethan, or what?
He's wagging his tail. You love him.
He smells like chocolate.
He smells like puppies. What do you think, Keith?
Arthur. Arthur. Ow,
He will bite you, yeah. He's biting
you-
you, okay, because he's teething. He's a baby. He's 8 weeks old. He's not even 8 weeks old. He's
It's
8
very
weeks
dark,
old.
this, you know, but
We'll take the flash off then.
how do I do that?
At the top.
Come in the
Do you wanna hold
kitchen, Arthur.
How do I do the
Right,
flash,
let
Ethan?
Isham hold him a minute.
I know it.
Look, it's Ish.
That's your new doggy.
I
don't know what to do.
He likes cuddles, doesn't he?
What do you reckon, Gracie? Yeah, where's it? I don't. It's just been dark all the way.
Oh no.
That's how it is.
That's nice.
But you're dead.